Hitting the 20K mark, whether it's in savings, income, or followers, often feels like crossing an invisible line. Suddenly, you notice that things start to shift. Your confidence grows, opportunities seem to appear out of nowhere, and people begin to treat you differently. This isn't just your imagination. Reaching this milestone signals to the world and to yourself that you're entering a new phase. In this video, we'll explore why everything changes after 20K and what you can expect as you step into this new chapter of your journey. One of the first things you'll notice after reaching 20K is a newfound sense of security. Whether it's financial stability or a growing audience, this number represents a buffer against uncertainty. You're less worried about unexpected expenses or setbacks, and you start to feel more in control of your future. This security allows you to take calculated risks, invest in yourself, and pursue opportunities you might have hesitated to consider before. Crossing the 20K mark often triggers a shift in your mindset. You begin to see yourself as someone who can achieve big things. This mental transformation is powerful. It pushes you to set higher goals and believe in your ability to reach them. You're no longer just surviving, you're planning, strategizing, and thinking long-term. This change in perspective is one of the most significant reasons why everything feels different after 20K. 20K comes visibility. People start to notice you, whether it's employers, collaborators, or brands. Your network expands and doors that were previously closed begin to open. You might receive job offers, partnership requests, or invitations to exclusive events. This influx of opportunities can be overwhelming, but it's also a sign that you've reached a level where your value is recognized by others. As your status grows, so do expectations. People may look to you for advice, leadership, or inspiration. You might feel pressure to maintain your progress or even accelerate it. While this can be challenging, it also pushes you to keep improving and stay accountable. The key is to balance these expectations with your own goals and values, ensuring you don't lose sight of what matters most to you. Reaching 20K in savings or income can be a turning point for your financial freedom. You're no longer living paycheck to paycheck, and you have the flexibility to make choices that align with your values. This freedom might mean traveling, investing, or simply having peace of mind. It's a powerful motivator that encourages you to keep building your resources and planning for the future. Confidence is a natural byproduct of reaching significant milestones. When you see tangible results from your efforts, you start to trust your abilities more. This confidence spills over into other areas of your life, from relationships to career decisions. You're more willing to speak up, take initiative, and pursue what you want without second-guessing yourself. After 20K, your network tends to grow organically. People reach out to connect, collaborate, or learn from your experience. You find yourself in circles that were previously out of reach, and these connections can lead to even more opportunities. Networking becomes less about seeking approval and more about mutual growth and support. With growth comes new challenges. Managing larger sums of money, handling increased attention, or balancing more responsibilities can be daunting. However, these challenges are signs of progress. They push you to develop new skills, adapt to changing circumstances, and become more resilient. Embracing these challenges is essential for continued growth. People start to recognize your achievements and respect your journey. This recognition can come in many forms: compliments, awards, or simply being seen as a role model. While external validation isn't everything, it does reinforce your sense of accomplishment and motivates you to keep pushing forward. With success comes responsibility. You may be asked to mentor others, lead projects, or represent your community. These responsibilities can be rewarding but also require careful time management and self-awareness. Learning to balance your new duties with your personal life is a key part of this stage. The 20K milestone often brings a noticeable improvement in your quality of life. You can afford better experiences, invest in your health, and enjoy more leisure activities. This isn't just about material gains, it's about having the freedom to make choices that enhance your well-being and happiness. Once you reach 20K, your ambitions naturally expand. You start to set bigger, bolder goals for yourself. Whether it's aiming for 50K, launching a new project, or pursuing a passion, you're no longer limited by what seemed impossible before. This drive for continuous improvement keeps you motivated and focused. With more resources at your disposal, you begin to think about investing, whether it's in stocks, real estate, or personal development. Learning how to grow your wealth becomes a priority. This stage is about making your money work for you and securing your financial future. Success can sometimes attract envy from others. Friends or acquaintances may react differently to your achievements. It's important to stay grounded and remember that your journey is unique. Focus on your growth and surround yourself with supportive people who celebrate your wins. After 20K, you may feel tempted to upgrade your lifestyle: better gadgets, nicer clothes, or a more comfortable home. While it's natural to enjoy the fruits of your labor, it's wise to balance enjoyment with long-term planning. Smart choices now can set you up for even greater success down the road. Even after reaching 20K, you might sometimes feel like you don't deserve your success. This is known as imposter syndrome, and it's surprisingly common. Recognizing these feelings and reminding yourself of your hard work can help you move past self-doubt and continue growing. With more responsibilities and opportunities, effective time management becomes crucial. You learn to prioritize tasks, delegate when necessary, and make the most of your productive hours. Mastering these skills helps you maintain balance and avoid burnout as you continue to grow. Reaching 20K often means you have a story worth sharing. You start to build a personal brand, whether online or in your community. This brand reflects your values, achievements, and vision for the future. It's a powerful tool for attracting new opportunities and inspiring others. As your value increases, more people will seek your time and attention. Learning to say no is essential for protecting your energy and focusing on what truly matters. Setting boundaries allows you to prioritize your goals and maintain your well-being. Change is inevitable after reaching a major milestone. Embracing change means being open to new experiences, adapting to shifting circumstances, and learning from every situation. This flexibility is key to sustaining your growth and enjoying the journey. It's important to celebrate your achievements, big or small. Recognizing your progress keeps you motivated and reminds you of how far you've come. Take time to appreciate your hard work and share your successes with those who support you. Success can be humbling. Remembering your roots and staying grounded helps you maintain perspective. Humility allows you to keep learning, connect with others authentically, and avoid the pitfalls of arrogance. With greater resources comes the opportunity to give back. Whether through volunteering, mentoring, or supporting causes you care about, giving back enriches your life and strengthens your community. It's a meaningful way to use your success for good. No journey is without setbacks. Even after reaching 20K, you'll face obstacles and disappointments. The difference now is your resilience. You're better equipped to handle challenges and bounce back stronger. Every setback is a lesson that prepares you for future success. As you grow, your definition of success may change. It's no longer just about numbers, it's about fulfillment, impact, and personal growth. Take time to reflect on what truly matters to you and adjust your goals accordingly. With more on your plate, maintaining balance becomes essential. Prioritize self-care, relationships, and downtime to avoid burnout. A balanced life supports sustained growth and long-term happiness. Surrounding yourself with mentors and peers who have walked a similar path can accelerate your growth. Learn from their experiences, seek advice, and stay open to new perspectives. Collaboration and community are invaluable at this stage. Consistency is key to maintaining and building on your success. Develop routines and habits that support your goals. Small, consistent actions compound over time and lead to lasting results. With more resources and confidence, you may feel inspired to explore new interests or hobbies. This exploration keeps life exciting and can lead to unexpected opportunities and personal growth. As you achieve more, it's important to manage both your own expectations and those of others. Stay realistic about what you can accomplish and communicate openly with those around you. This helps prevent disappointment and keeps you focused on your priorities. Increased visibility can sometimes lead to privacy concerns. Learn to protect your personal information and set boundaries around what you share. Safeguarding your privacy allows you to enjoy your success without unnecessary stress. As you grow, you may find yourself taking on new roles: leader, mentor, or innovator. Embracing these roles helps you expand your skills and influence. Each new role is an opportunity for personal and professional development. Motivation can fluctuate, especially after reaching a big milestone. Find new sources of inspiration, whether it's a new goal, a passion project, or helping others. Staying motivated ensures you keep moving forward. With greater visibility comes more feedback, both positive and negative. Learning to handle criticism constructively is essential. Use it as an opportunity to learn and improve rather than letting it discourage you. After 20K, long-term planning becomes more important. Set clear goals, create actionable plans, and regularly review your progress. Planning for the future ensures that your growth is sustainable and aligned with your values. Amidst all the changes, it's crucial to stay true to your values and identity. Authenticity attracts genuine connections and keeps you grounded. Remember why you started and let your core beliefs guide your decisions. Technology can amplify your growth after 20K. Use tools and platforms to streamline your work, connect with others, and stay organized. Embracing technology helps you maximize your impact and efficiency. Success brings new pressures. Managing stress is essential for your health and happiness. Practice mindfulness, exercise, or engage in hobbies to keep stress in check. A healthy mind supports sustained growth. As you grow, relationships become even more important. Nurture connections with family, friends, and mentors. Strong relationships provide support, perspective, and joy throughout your journey. Never stop learning. Stay curious, seek out new knowledge, and embrace challenges as opportunities to grow. Lifelong learning keeps you adaptable and prepared for whatever comes next. Every milestone deserves recognition. Celebrate your progress and use each achievement as motivation to keep moving forward. Milestones mark your journey and remind you of your capabilities. Success requires adaptation. Stay open to feedback, adjust your strategies, and remain flexible as circumstances change. Adapting ensures that your growth is sustainable and meaningful. As you continue to grow, think about the legacy you want to leave. Your actions, values, and contributions can inspire others and make a lasting impact. Leaving a legacy gives deeper meaning to your journey. Reaching 20K is just the beginning. The journey of growth, learning, and self-discovery continues. Embrace each new challenge, celebrate your progress, and stay committed to your vision. Remember, every milestone is a stepping stone to even greater achievements ahead.